fourth first question. If 2x plus 1 is a factor of 2x square plus ax minus 3, find the value of a. So first we want to write f of x is equal to 2x square plus ax minus 3. Given 2x plus 1 is a factor, so we can equate that to 0. So 2x plus 1 is a divisor. So 2x is equal to negative 1, x is equal to negative 1 by 2. Substitute that x is equal to negative 1 by 2 in this. So f of negative 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into negative 1 by 2 square plus a into negative 1 by 2 minus 3. So 2 into negative 1 by 2 square is what? 1 by 4. Positive into negative. Negative a into 1 by 2 is what? A by 2. A by 2 directly you can write minus 3. That is numerator into
negative.
negative a by 2. Positive into negative is negative. Negative a by 2 minus 3. F of negative 1 by 2 we got like this way. Then 2 and 4 we can cancel 2. That means this is what? F of negative 1 by 2 means this is the remainder. Remainder is what? Cancel 1 by 2 minus a by 2 minus 3. Clear? Got it up to this? So solve this. 1 by 2. 3. So it is negative 5 by 2 minus a by 2. That is f of negative 1 by 2. Negative 5 by 2 minus a by 2. Since 2x plus 1 is a factor, what we can write? F of negative 1 by 2 will be what? This is the remainder. That remainder will become 0 if it is a factor. So how can we write this? F of negative 1 by 2 we can replace it as 0 is equal to negative 5 by 2 minus a by 2. Got it? Any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. 0
Negative 5.
same from 2. So negative 5 minus a.
Negative 5, man. So,
Negative 5 minus a. So negative a comes here means it will be positive a. A is equal to negative 5 is the answer.
ma'am.
All got a is equal to negative 5. Correct? Check it. A is equal to negative 5 or not?
Correct, ma'am.
Then do the second one. Fourth, second one. Find the value of k if 3x minus 4 is a factor of the expression 3x square plus 2x minus k. So f of x we got 3x minus 4 is a factor. So divisor we want to equate to 0. So 3x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 3. Replace that x as 4 by 3 here is equal to 3 into 4 by 3 square plus 2 into 4 by 3 minus k we want to find out. So 3 into 4 square is 16 divided by 9 plus 4 into 2, 8 divided by 3 minus k f of 4 by 3. 3 and 9 we can cancel. So 3 f of 4 by 3 is equal to 16 divided by 3 plus 8 by 3 minus k. So f of 4 by 3 is equal to same denominator. So we can add the numerator. So
24.
f of 4 by 3 is equal to 24 divided by 3 minus
3 minus k.
24 by 3 is what?
8.
8
8 minus k.
plus k.
Is it plus minus?
Therefore, 3x
It is minus.
Minus.
Minus k.
minus 9. 8 minus k.
So since
3x minus 4 is a factor of
3x minus 4 is a factor of what?
3x square plus 2x minus 3
minus k, we can write what? F of 4 by 3
by 3 is equal to 0.
that is
8
0
minus k is equal to 0.
k. So
K is equal to
it to the left side. So
K is equal to
k is equal to
8.
k is equal to 8. Got it now? Question number 5. Find the values of constants a and b were x minus 2 and x plus 3. So first we can write x minus 2. X minus 2 and x plus 3 both are the factors of the expression x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 12. After that we can write x plus 3. First we can do with x minus 2. X minus 2. So first we want to do x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2.
2.
2 is equal to, substitute 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 12. So 8 plus 4a plus 2b minus 12. So 12 and 8. It will be what? Minus 4 plus 4a plus 2b. F of 2 here, f of 2. Then next step what we want to write? Since what? Since x minus 2 is a factor, since x minus 2 is a factor, we can write what? F of 2 is equal to 0. Since x minus 2 is a factor, f of 2 is equal to 0. So we can write f of 2 is equal to 0. Replace that f of 2 as 0 is equal to negative 4 plus 4a plus 2b. So this 4 to the left side. So positive 4, 4a plus 2b. Dividing through what? By 2 we can do it. 2 we can. So 2 is equal to 2a plus b. 2a plus b is equal to 2. Let it be equation number 1. 2 unknowns. X plus 3 is also a factor. So equate that x plus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to negative 3. So substitute x is equal to negative 3. So f of negative 3 is equal to negative 3 cube plus a into negative 3 square plus b into negative 3 minus 12. So negative 3 cube is what? Negative 27 plus 3 square. Negative 3 square is 9. Negative 3 into negative 3. Since it is an even number, so it will be positive. So 9a plus minus positive b minus b. So minus 3b minus 12. F of negative 3. Then negative 27 and negative 12. So it will be, two signs are negative, add and put negative sign. So it will be negative 39 plus 9a minus 3b. F of negative 3. Since, what we want to write? Since x plus 3 is a factor, since x plus 3 is a factor, f of negative 3 is equal to 0. F of negative 3 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to negative 39 plus 9a minus 3b. So negative 39, you can take to the left side. So positive 39 is equal to 9a minus 3b. So we can rearrange that. 3b is equal to 39. Can we divide 9a?
Yes, ma'am, with 3.
Yes, ma'am, by 3.
Why? That is easy, I think.
I wrote throughout by 3.
3 possible, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be what? 9a
Yes,
divided
ma'am, 3 is
by
possible.
3 is what? 3a. 3a minus 3b by 3. This will be simply b.
B.
Is equal to 13.
13. 13.
13. So let it be equation number 2. So first equation we have, then second equation. Solve 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2, we will get the answer. Value of a and b. First equation is 2a,
2a plus b,
b is equal to
2.
2. So that is the first equation. Now we got the equation 3a minus b is equal to 13. So solving positive b and negative b here. We want to add or subtract.
Add.
Okay, add
Want
it.
to add.
Add
Then only
5a is equal to
this will become 0 is equal to
0.
2 plus
15.
15.
So a is equal to 15
3.
3.
equal to 3. Substitute
b
that
is equal to negative 4.
which equation?
4.
b is equal to negative 4.
Second equation.
Substitute.
Second equation.
First equation, ma'am.
First.
2a plus b is equal to 2.
2a plus b is equal to 2 becomes what? 2 into 3 plus b is equal
Plus b is equal to 2.
You can write a bracket.
Into 3 plus b is equal to 2.
Plus b is equal
6 plus b is equal to 2. 6 plus b is equal to b is equal to b is equal to 2 minus 6. Negative 4. Minus 4.
negative 4. So a is equal to 3 and b is equal to negative 4. Clear? Got it now, all of you? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal 2x is equal to what? 2x is equal to negative 1, x is equal to negative 1 by 2. So f of negative 1 by 2 is equal to 3k plus 2 into negative 1 by 2 the whole cube plus k minus
K minus 1.
So which can be written as what?
3
K plus 2
plus 2 by 8 plus k minus
negative
1.
1 by 8 plus k minus
Plus k minus 1.
k minus 1. So next step what we can do? Next step. Next step. Directly we can write what?
3k plus
3k
2
plus
by
2 divided by 8.
Negative of
negative is
negative of 3k plus
Negative side.
by 8. Simply this means what? 1. So numerator into numerator divided by into denominator. So negative 3k plus 2 divided by 8
plus k minus 1.
that is f of negative 1 by 2. Given 2x plus 1 since 2x plus 1 is a factor, we can write what? F of negative 1 by 2 we can write it as 0. So 0 is equal to negative of 3k plus 2 by 8 plus k minus 1. K minus 1 is what? K minus 1 divided by 1. So LCM using Vedic maths. Negative of 3k plus 2
5k minus
k
10
minus 1 divided by 8. 0 is equal to, change the brackets. So negative 3k minus 2, is it 5k plus k minus 1 divided by 8, no?
Okay.
Here I made mistake. No?
Negative.
Here I see
K 8 multiply.
8k
k plus 1.
8k minus.
So 8 into here, k minus 1. 8 into k minus 1. So it will be 8k minus, here 8. Here I didn't multiply with this 8, no. 8 into k minus 1. So 5k. 8k. So it will be 0 is equal to positive 8k and minus 5k.
5k.
Then here
minus 10.
10 divided by 8.
8.
Cross multiply. 0 into 8 is 0 is equal to 1 into 5k minus 10. So which is equal to 5k there itself. Negative 10 will become positive 10. So k is equal to 10 by 5 is equal to 2.
2.
K is equal to 2. Okay. So first equation 3m plus n is equal to 1. Second equation 3m minus n is equal to 11. Solving first equation and the second equation 3m plus n is equal to 16 and 6m minus n is equal to 11. So how can we add or subtract? Adding, no? So we will get add or subtract. Add, no?
Add.
Add. So it will be 9m is equal to 27. M is equal to 27 divided by 9. So m is equal to 3. Substitute. In which equation? Substituting 1 or 2. Substitute m
One.
is equal to 3 in equation 1. That is 3m plus n is equal to 3. So 3 into
Equal to 7.
3 plus n is equal to 16. 9
16
plus n is
n
equal to 16. N is equal to
equal to 16 minus 9, which is equal
7.
to 7. So m is equal to 3, n is equal to 7.
m is equal to 3 and n is equal to